Yes, welcome from Florida. So today we are in Mercedes in Jacksonville. So you can see the GL63 model. So you can see this one, and so it is G63 AMG. So you can see the like a G63. So you can see like it's inside. Wow, I really like this car. So we can see like it's inside. It looks like really cool. It looks like wow, red leather. So it's like really interesting. It's really interesting car. So we can try to sit on the rear seat. Wow. You know, it's like not a lot of like space for your feet, but I can try to sit over here. Wow. Wow. Sounds like when you close the door. G63 AMG Mercedes. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Sounds like a AMG G63. Look at this car. It's really cool. Guys, if you also I have like this one, but it's like closed inside.